Okay, so guys, what I've done right now is I have to define a link into my HTML page. So this is the new thing from the previous tutorial. Okay, now if you want to define a link, a hyperlink reference, then what you gotta do is you open your angle bracket, you type A, and you do not close your angle bracket. See, the partner of this angle bracket is right over here. Okay, then you type href equals, so whatever site you wanna type in, this is my site and this is a link. Okay, so let me just run this thing, run in Internet Explorer. Okay, now when I click this link, it will redirect to my page. See, how cool is that? And further I can my YouTube page is gonna open up. Yay! Please hit the subscribe button, please. Alright, one cool thing that is, now if I wanna have image integrated into my HTML page, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in, open my angle bracket, type img src source is equals to embedded.jpg. Now one important thing is that it detects the root directory. So see user desktop index.html. Now if my image, see my image and both my HTML, this file this .html file is on desktop. Okay, so if this image is not on desktop right here, then this image is not gonna come. So the image and your HTML file has to be in a single folder. Okay,